Hey, what's up everyone? It's Aubrey. Crap day for me, man. Down about $121 on the day. Gutted. ERYP, AHPI, main offenders. Grabbed a little TAOP. Breaking all kinds of rules. Don't know why I do this. Started out nice this morning. I anticipated the momentum from this move. This is what my only trade should have been this morning. And then I messed up anticipating the breakout over 850. Bought the breakout and got stopped out on the dip. Real dumb. Was anticipating this motion. Didn't happen. Took the hit. Swung too big. My baby one's good. And then I swing and then it's bad. Then, at the open, I grab 100 shares at 848. Sell at 812. Pretty much the bottom of this candle. On the VWAP test, all sorts of backwards, right? Like, oh, it's spiking. I should know to hold for the VWAP test. Buy the confirmation. Ended up buying 100 shares at 869 into the halt. And then instead of selling immediately at the open of the halt, I sold 50, got caught in the halt down, and then sold the other 50 at 820. And, you know, could have waited a couple minutes and sold the rest in the nines, but I would have had to hold through this drop down into the 780s. That wasn't gonna happen either. Real disappointed. Just real disappointed in myself today. AHPI. Buying this break. Stopped out again. On the test, I was risking VWAP. VWAP was not the test. The test was this price level right here. This was the test. VWAP is not the greatest. You know, it's nice to have, but I gotta not be so, you know, it's gotta respect VWAP, man. Cause it could just as well go down to these levels. You know, price points, not VWAP lines. It's always got to be price points, I think. So I missed out, right? Like 742, this thing is halted now in the 8s. Probably could have made back some of the losses. Not most of them. Yeah, bad trading. Bad trading. You know, I had a plan for this, and I stopped out when I said I would stop myself out. So I don't know. I just gotta not set my stops to price levels, not to VWAP. I think that's gonna be my takeaway on this. ERYP. Yeah, I don't know. I had a moment too. I had a moment before this happened. I was thinking about buying it around here, because I saw this, like, you know, we'd kind of bottomed out here. And we were uptrending and the low volume consolidation. I'm like, oh, I think it's going to test it. I think it's going to test. And for some reason, like, the doubt in me was like, nah, just wait. Just wait. FOMO bot, 864. And within a few seconds, you know, I got 876. Like, if I had that flip mentality, yeah, sure. But I was anticipating, like, it was going to come back and confirm, you know, but this happened so fast. Like when it started to come back, and then it ticked immediately back down to 818. I suppose on that, you know, if I'm have a wider risk, you know, this shouldn't have stopped me out. This should stop me out, right? This last low here in the 790s, because we'd kind of touched that back here. Clocked it here, clocked it here. That should have been the move. I wouldn't have been stopped out so quickly, but I'm trying to catch the momentum swing. And I caught it. I just, this was nasty. And I really should have done like I initially wanted to and get the that anticipatory move there. Oh well, easy come, easy go. 848. I don't even know what this was looking back like. We already had a down ticking candle. We're opening. I'm like, why would I buy? After a down ticking candle. If anything, the move would be to buy, I guess, the high or anticipate the VWAP test. And this ended up doing, like, again, if I had the stop here, that would have worked. So I think it's a little bit, of that. Jesus. I forget when I do this, it's like the volume also kind of gets weird. Yeah, anyway, that's that. And then I should have just sold all, like, coming out of the halt instead of taking half off. I thought maybe we were gonna like, it's like a coin flip, right? Like you could halt and then go back up, or you could halt and it could be an immediate fail. And since there wasn't really much happening, I thought maybe there'd be a lot more like FOMO buying after the halt, which is why I decided to only sell half. But it didn't work out. It didn't work out for me today. I really gotta work on it. I can't keep having like, oh, I'm green for like $20, but then I lost like $120. That shit ain't gonna fly. Like, I'm gonna die. And I'm gonna be out of the game. Like, I need to focus. I need to like have better risk levels, so I'm not so easily stopped out, right? I need to, I think it's coming down to risk levels, a lot of these, I think, right? I mean, proper risk levels, I'm not selling out here, so I'm not taking this loss with a proper risk level set. And also, swinging too hard on my second trade. My first trade seems to always be good. That's the one to take the swing on, and then take the speculative ones. Just like, I don't know if that's right, but that's definitely the pattern I'm seeing when looking at my trades. This is just fucking pathetic. Pathetic. Buying this at 742 because there was a new high here on the minute candle. And then if you go to the 5, it's like, one, I didn't even wait for the 5. And I was in this while I was halted in the other stock. Sell to come back and focus on this. And yeah, I'm getting out because, first 5-minute candle to hit a new low sort of thing. But also, like, on this 5-minute chart, when we're in an uptrend, like we didn't even close here. But also, if I'm buying at 742, do I really want to hold through to 680 to stop out? That seems like a lot, even though like the HMA trend thing is like not until the candle closes below the line. I don't know. Things I'm thinking about. This could have been a nice $2 a share move or $1.50 a share move I could have taken. And who knows, this might even continue to work. Just real disappointed in myself. So I'll be back on Monday. And now that I'm like tracking the stocks too on my watch list, like I see the ones and like a handful of my anticipatory predictions are like correct too. And I just keep missing them I'll be like distracted by whatever is hot and moving on the day when I'm like, I have this trade plan that I've put together. I know this move is gonna like offer something. Yeah, I don't know. I hope you guys did better than I did, but I'm calling it, walking away for the day. See you tomorrow.